I shall now begin the briefing for the half group task, and we shall thereafter conduct the half group task. I have with me half of the group, the other half is waiting elsewhere. In this task, what we basically do is that we divide the group into two and we make them do a task which is similar to the PGT. In this, there is only one obstacle instead of four, and the purpose of breaking the group into half is so that the milder candidates, the shy candidates also get an opportunity to come up, speak up, showcase their ability, so that there is no injustice and there is an equal opportunity for all to be able to prove their capabilities. Alright, with this as a background, I shall now be briefing the group.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, or Sainik School entrance exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests, and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725 940 7111.
Alright, gentlemen, as already briefed to you, the half group task is to be conducted now. The task is similar to the PGT with the only exception that it is one obstacle. All the rules remain the same, there is no difference, and the only difference is there is no load to be carried. Alright, and as I have already stated, this is an opportunity for those of you who are a little shy or a little mild to showcase your ability, because now with half the number of boys performing, double the chances for the shy guys to come up and showcase their ability. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts with regard to the rules?
No, sir.
Any other questions, any other query?
No, sir.
All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so let's move. Come. Follow me. To find your way across from the start line till the finish line. All the rules, as I said, remain the same. Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir.
If you're clear, then your time starts now.
Let's put the plank here and make incline. We can make a reverse cantilever over there. It'll be
Or we
easier.
can make it inclined.
We can do it now.
We can move larger distance over there. Let's do that.
Yeah, suppose you can incline, we can do
the straight
Do you understand what I'm?
I
We can
thought
put it
that-
there. Put it over there. We'll have
First
a
follow
reverse
that path.
incline. So let's go straight.
Try.
Firstly, what the sir is saying, na, firstly we can make the cantilever here, and then a person can go there.
We have to put the plank first. We have to put the plank.
Make a small cantilever. Wait.
Hold it. You can.
Wait.
Don't push it much there.
Yeah, you can go.
Go. Help him. This is very heavy. Try to connect. No, it won't connect. Yes, good, yes. Go.
Now correct, na correct.
Help him. Yes. Go, you should go. Come.
Wait. Let's figure out the way forward.
From here we can connect.
Will the plank? Will the plank?
You should connect.
No.
No, it won't connect.
It won't connect.
From here we can connect. It is at shorter distance.
32 had given a suggestion. You will make it work.
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
Pass the bully. Put it down. Leave it. Can you step on this? And
Yes.
come. Stand on the plank. Yes.
Give me your hand. Hold this and use this
Hold
line
it.
to connect.
Use the plank.
Use this line
We'll use
to
the
connect.
plank.
Connect the next. Wait. Let the 34 you come here. At this.
Take it out.
One person should go there, then
Yeah.
34. Okay, do one thing.
We can use firstly. One person can go there and
One
then
person first remove this one.
this can be the.
Move forward.
Yeah,
we can move from here to there.
It is connected. First check.
Like that.
First check.
First check whether it
Connect or not.
Do you need help? No, it won't. Come back.
We can use pole. This one.
It is quite lengthy.
Yeah, pole is longer.
Let's try this one.
34, give the plank to him.
Use pole.
33 can put the plank.
Putting just.
We 33, put the plank down. 33, put the plank down.
Yes.
Now go and help me.
Let's see whether it will. Wait. I will
Don't stand on the plank. Don't stand on the
Stand
plank.
on the plank. No.
Wait here.
34, you put it like this so we can also come back. Put it like this. How we can?
Put it like this. We can come back over there. You use the pole.
Okay,
When
then
you use the pole,
should
just put it over there.
Okay,
Just
let's
put
take
it over there. Do not waste your time on the pole.
Right. Wait.
No, do not.
You should come here. Here.
34. Yeah, 34. Yeah.
No. Yeah.
It will fit. Try again. Get up. Go on the plank.
Get up and do it again.
Yeah.
Quite enough. Yeah.
34.
Give us the plank. Give us plank.
Put it there.
Until we are coming, you can help you.
One
One person can go. You can help him.
One
Yeah,
should.
there,
One
go.
should just hold.
Come on. Go.
Just
34.
hold it.
You help
I
him.
will try that.
Hold it.
Go.
Hold it with the elbow. Okay, now you may go. Hold it.
Wait.
I'm holding it. Go.
Okay.
Come. You come now.
There's no more space there.
See, first we need to go from here to that place.
Wait.
Let's
No,
figure
one
it
more
out how
space
to
is
go.
there. Just
No.
move.
We
No.
can't put the rope. That's no.
When
Can we
we
tie
can
the
connect
rope?
from
Can
here
we?
to that. No, it won't connect.
Guys, let's tie the rope on one of these and try to put it across.
Exactly. Where is rope?
Here.
Fine, let's put the plank back.
We
We
can
can
connect-
we
we
can
can
tie rope
connect
on the
it directly to that.
on the edge.
Let's get
On
the
the
rope
edge
of
of
this
this
plank
plank and
55.
we can
Yeah.
pull it.
Rope is there.
55. We have to bring the rope.
Yeah.
Quickly. 31. Go ahead.
We have to go the same way. Just shift it. Do not tighten it.
We need rope.
And we also need the balloon.
Yeah.
That is more than 2 feet.
Don't worry. Give this.
That is more than
Balli,
2 feet. yeah.
balli.
Just the balli. We'll go back the way we came.
Oh, okay. One should help
31
you.
go.
Don't be time.
You and
Come back. You can use plank.
Use plank till there. And in the end, just step once.
Yeah.
Step on the balli only once.
Step on the patta. Yeah. Take help.
Go.
Yeah. Go. Bring it fast. Come on.
you.
A single step took on the plank.
Come on the plank. Plank. Try to shoot on the plank.
Come. Yeah.
Quick.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep walking on the plank.
Just forward. Faster. Wait.
Give that pole.
You go.
Give it.
Correct it.
Quick here. Give that rope also.
No. Okay.
Rope also along with it.
So that
Don't leave it. Don't
Tight
tie
on the edge.
Tight. Don't be touching the ground. Tight at the edge.
Make it a small one.
Then
At the edge. Don't put it down. No. You don't need to pull it up. Tight correctly. No, yeah. Tight correctly. It is good.
put it up.
Just tight at the end of the.
Which one is 31? Leave it.
So that's okay.
Put
it from this side.
turn it around.
Yeah.
Put it from this side, okay?
You have it?
Yeah, we all have. Firstly, we all have to come now. This plank is not enough. Wait. Gentlemen, this plank. We have to come over there. We have to come on the blue area. This is not enough.
Let one or two of them go. Then we'll go.
One is not enough.
Single one is not able to.
Not able to hold it, na?
Yeah.
It is too heavy.
34.
Too heavy.
Hold the belly.
Touching the ground. Give it. I can move this rope up. Now it's not touching the lamp. It's not touching. Go.
I can move. No, give us the belly. Give us the belly.
Tight it, tight.
Is it quite long?
Yeah.
It will come. Remove. Just
Be careful. It's not touch. You can go.
Is it fine?
yeah, it is not touching.
Okay.
Yeah,
Go
go.
forward. You go. Come on. You go.
You should carry.
Hold the belly and let me come.
Come all the way 55.
Go.
55 you come. 55 you come.
Wait.
55 you can come. Give me your hand. Come.
31. Pick up the belly.
No,
It's
yeah.
touching the ground.
Do it again. 55 or you go and sit at the blue. Yes. Give.
Come on. Come back.
Come back. Ask you. Let's wait.
Alright, thank you gentlemen. Put everything back on the start line. Untie the rope. Alright, please come this side.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 725-930-7111 for queries and registrations.
As I had briefed you earlier also, you should always use your resources as efficiently as possible. And when I talk of efficiency, I talk both in terms of time as well as effort. Not to forget the utilization of the resource as well. Now when you guys were coming from here to this point, it was quite evident that you had not examined the structure in front of you in detail. The distance can be bridged or not. Instead, you started moving laterally to the structure. After having reached there, it struck you that it is possible to reach there. As a result, you came back, you went about in that process. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And eventually, you went by this route only. Had you applied your minds initially when you were at this point, you would have realized that it was possible to solve this method in a easier manner. Moreover, there was yet another method, a simpler method of reaching from here to there. That was, again, it came up a little later when you put the plank between the two platforms. One person stood there, another person was able to walk on the edge and then place the bully on that end. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So these are all tips and tricks which I have given you earlier. You must keep an open mind. You must see, look at the structure and make use. Another thing, the manner in which you guys are tying the rope is very, very shoddy. Your rope is loose, it is opening up, it is falling all over the place, it is touching the red, it is touching the ground, it is touching the blue and the ground. Do not allow that to happen. If you are going to double up the rope and then tie it, at least make sure both the ends are together. What is the point of having one end here and there? Because at the end when you are going to tie up, you will find that one end is loose, one end is longer. If at all you have to tie it. So please make sure that these are small things which you put into your mind for posterity, practice, so that you learn how to use this rope, the plank and the bully. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till it hits